oh no, I have one more. Both of them seem very light on me. But that pink on me is just not working, I feel. Hello, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're in my channel, I'm Akanksha. So in this video, you read the title already, I am going to try the new Insight Cosmetics foundation. According to me, or as far as I know, it's new, or at least I've never tried this one before. This is the Ultra Thin Second Skin Longwear Foundation. But with this, I actually ordered a couple of new or the products I've never tried from Insight Cosmetics. They seemed very interesting. I have like cream blushes, etc. And you guys know how much I love blush. So let's give this all these products a test. I will give you my opinions and if they're worth buying or not. They're so inexpensive, so if they work, I will be the happiest because I will have so many products to recommend for you guys. But anyways, let's get into the video and see how they perform. Yeah. Okay, you guys have to ignore my hair because I'm trying to put less heat on it because there is a lot of damage being done to my hair and it is acting up and I feel like I should stop taking my hair for granted. But if I don't style it, it's not easy to manage. So it's up in a bun and you just have to see me like this because honestly, I'm trying to reduce heat as much as I can. But let's get into it. Now, I have two shades in the foundation. One I have in the shade MNY 16 and the other I have in the shade Warm Nude. The naming of it is pretty weird because it's the same foundation. It has no correlation in the names. But that being said, I did see my closest shade on Nykaa and I ordered them, and right now both of them seem very light on me. This one seems maybe a little darker. This is Warm Nude, but it still looks a little pinkish on me. So let's see how it goes. I use this, pH lip oil from Tipsy on my lip. It's a beautiful lip oil, but that pink on me is just not working, I feel. Okay, I'm just going to prep it a little bit of moisturizer. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So this is the shade MNY 16, and which is of course way too light on me. And this is Warm Nude. Warm Nude is also very light, but it also seems a little warm and a little weird. I don't know how to explain that color, and I really feel this will be very light on me, but honestly I have no other option and I feel like Warm Nude is my closest match. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply Warm Nude. First of all, applicator, the worst. I hate drop foundations. I don't know, it's just not my vibe at all. So anyways, I'm just going in my foundation brush and this is the ultra thin foundation, so I'm expecting like great finish, like skin like finish, but good amount of coverage, or at least everything being blurred out. Now, way too light, you can see this side and this side, but the other products I've tried from Inside before do oxidize, so I'm hoping this one does too, so that I don't look so fair, or it matches me at least. I have to apply foundation on my forehead because this is not going to match. But the minute I apply it on my forehead, it's going to look very ashy because it's way too off for my forehead compared to my skin. Like you can just see it's already starting to get gray. That's the reason I don't apply foundation on my forehead, guys. That's one thing. Like a lot of people always ask me, why don't you apply foundation on your forehead? Because honestly, in real life, you can't really tell the difference with this lights and the camera. You can see that, my foundation is darker and I did not apply anything because light reflects, when there's makeup on your face. But honestly, if in real life you would not see, and I would not want to apply my same shade foundation here because this is a lot darker for me than the rest of my face. But anyway, the foundation blending beautifully, just melted into my skin. I'm quite surprised. It is super like, I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's really nice, but at the same time, there's something a little off about it, and I'm not able to figure it out. I feel like maybe it's the greasy or the dewy effect of it. It is quite like, you can see the finish of it is not, demi matte. It is a very dewy finish. You can see a lot of it like being shiny on my face, and that's something I'm not used to. So I can see how I like it if I set it, but otherwise, the finish of it is amazing. I love it, man. It just melted into the skin so damn beautifully. It's giving like my skin but better. It is a little off-putting for me right now because it's way too lighter for my skin tone, and I really do feel like it has oxidized a bit already, and it is a little too pink for me too. So it is not like, I'm a very warm yellow toned kind of person for foundation, but so far the finish is pretty decent. It's not like, oh wow, exceptional, I've never seen this before kind of thing, but for the price point, for 200 rupees, it is giving a beautiful finish. I've checked the ingredients, nothing very problematic or anything. That's just the shade range I feel is not that great, as even if I in medium to medium deep skin tone range cannot find a foundation shade, then deeper people just like leave hopes, you will not find anything. So that's an issue. But next I have their concealer as well, and concealer, what I did is I ordered NC 5 because they said it's for medium skin tone. And look at this, just look, this looks so dark. Now this on my face would be like a proper corrector kind of shade, or even like maybe one shade darker would even be like a bronzer shade. So this would not be a concealer for me for sure. But this foundation, and I don't know the shade range because I feel like it's just not promising enough anyways. But for the sake of application, I do want to try this and see. Yeah, it's just a very off color, which I don't think would suit me. I do really like their other concealer, though. I'll put the picture of that concealer right here. They have great, like that formula is really nice. This one, I just feel like I won't like it because the shade is way too off. The thing is, it says NC5 medium yellow. Okay, that's the reason I ordered it. And this in no way is medium or yellow. It's just like a bronzer. It's way too dark and way too warm, which really is not a concealer shade. So that's a bummer. So I would just do my concealer and I'll be back.
Moments later.
Next, I have the Inside Cosmetics blusher. This is in the shade 02 Raspberry Gelato. This is the product I'm like most excited about because honestly, if this works, I will literally buy so many shades of it. And I actually have one more blusher kind of thing as well. This is the lip and cheek tint in the shade 2 Candy Cane. Again, if this works too, then I'm buying a lot more shades in it. So I ordered like a more peachy warm shade, and one I ordered a pink. So I'm going to do each on one side and let's see which one is better, or if both are not nice, or if both are great. I'm doing Candy. Oh, that shade, like this shade in a blush is one of my favorite shades. Love it, love it. It just went on so damn beautifully. I did not have to make like any effort to blend it. Okay, I love it. Next, I'm going in with the more pinky or the darker or the blusher. And both of them actually smell quite similar. Impressed. Not going to even try to pick anything wrong about it. I feel like they just blended, and the shade does not look so different though. Let me just swatch both of them. Though this one looks very dark in the pan, once it's on the face, I feel like both of them kind of just melted in and give just like a beautiful flush of color. And I am not complaining. It just looks super pretty. I love that blush. I'm glad it worked because for 110 rupees, if you get this, I'm getting all the shades. I just hope it lasts longer though. I'll have to check if it's long lasting as well, because blushes are something which fade away pretty quickly. Even like the most expensive brushes, some blushes sometimes like fade away quite quickly. So if this stays put, then it's like 10 on 10 for sure. Okay, I set the foundation and I feel like it is pretty nice. You can see just, blurred out everything. The shade of course is still off, but the finish of it is pretty great. Like, I have no complaints. Next I have again another blush. I told you I love so many blushes. Anyways, I ordered the Inside Cosmetics Glow Blusher. So now that was a cream blush, and this is like a powder blush. It's a 4-in-1 thing. Again, it seemed very intriguing because it has like all different colors from warm to pink to more brighter pink. So I'm going to do this shade, this like more dusky pink, because I feel like that is the overall theme which is going on. Anyways, I have a clean brush right here. Okay, that was pigmented. Like in first, I just did like 1 and 2 and tapped off and then went and applied it. Very nice, guys. Very nice. I really like it. It just is going on very smoothly, very buildable, and the pigment is great. It's going on pretty smoothly. No patchiness, no shimmer, nothing shiny. It just is blending beautifully. Just take your time to blend. Sometimes few products need a little more effort, like 5 to 10 seconds more blending than a regular one would do, especially some inexpensive ones. But yeah, look at that blush. Like, I don't have to like say anything. Is there in your face, quite pigmented. Okay, before moving on to eyes, I want to fix this lip situation because I honestly feel it's too funny at this point. So for lips, I ordered 2 lipsticks from Inside Cosmetics. One is this Longwear color rich one, and the other one is non-transfer lip color. And let me see which one I want to do. Oh, one is a gloss. I had like a plan in mind while I was ordering. Maybe not, because this is way too warm and I did pink on my cheeks. So this right now on this will not work, but that is the only liquid lipstick I ordered. Or oh no, I have one more. This one is the one I will use, obviously. See, I have like, I had a vision. I ordered this like 1-2 weeks back, so I honestly don't remember what I ordered, guys. So I have a pink and I have a more warm one. This one I think would be great for like an everyday brown. It is in the shade Insight 11. The other one I have is Insight 25, or basically it's the shade 25, which I'm going to apply on my lips. Pretty shade. I love it. It just looks too stunning. Feel like it's a perfect balance of pink for Indian skin tone, unlike the one I had before, which was like too pink in the face kind of pink. And then we have a gloss, but gloss I'm going to do after eyeshadow, because like if I touch my hand on my eye, I don't want it to transfer. Next, for eyeshadow, I got the All Eyes on You Inside Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This one, I'm not sure if it's new or not, but this one like was very highly rated. So, and it also seemed like this color scheme something I would use more often, or is like very more everyday type of use. So if it works, then you guys can grab it. So I ordered like a more neutral palette. It has like pink tones, warm tones, brown, gold, smoky, everything like in it. So I'm going to obviously go more into this side and maybe a little bit of this pink, and let's see how it goes. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Burn It. Quite pigmented. You can see like literally in one go I did it. Hardly took 10 seconds and not much effort required to blend it as well. It's just like smoothly blending out, nothing like patchy on the edges as well. See like how beautifully just blended into my blush. So quite impressed. A little bit of fallout on the pan, but nothing major. Just look at this. See, already there. Man, my hair, what to do, especially in this weather. Even if I straighten it, it'll go frizzy. That's the reason I just had was like, might as well not style it anymore. But this little things, little guys, I just washed my hair, so I don't want to apply like any gel or anything, because again it'll be very waxy for the next few days until I wash my hair again. But anyway, same thing on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of deeper pink. It's more brown pink kind of mix, and apply it on that edge. Wonderful. Like, I have no complaints with the eyeshadows so far. I just want to see how the shimmers work now. So that is there. And for shimmer, I'm going to go in with this more champagne shade and maybe a little bit of this pinky shade. Yeah, the shimmer is also pretty decent, but it's not like a whoa, that is nice shimmery kind of thing. It is very blendable and pretty, like, okay, not so great as the matte shadows. Like, pink shimmer shadows will have like, give you that oomph, like in your face kind of bling. This is not that, but definitely buildable, and it gives a decent amount of that color. Just look pretty, guys, pretty. Next, I want to try the more deeper shades, going in with this dark gray black kind of shade, and I'm going to line my eyeshadow or line with it. I do this with any of my look. I like using like a eyeshadow for my liner. So if this works, it's like my ultimate test for this palette, because honestly, on top of other matte shadows, it is little difficult for the other shadows to show up. But I guess not for this one. It's there, it's already there. Look at that wing, how pretty. So this is not black, this is like a grey black, and for grey black I feel like it's getting quite a decent amount of pigmentation. And just look at that wing, it was quite easy. I did not have to do much effort. There's definitely a little bit of fallout, but not on my face, only in the palette. And if that's something it bothers you, you can honestly clean it up immediately if you want. Sometimes I start talking and then I stop in between out of nowhere without completing sentences. Then I'm like, what was I saying? I don't even remember. Anyways, that's the done eye look. Oh my god, pretty. I don't know, for some reason did not have much hopes for eyeshadow. Usually those little subtle pinky rosy colors don't do that well, but just look at that, just looking like a wow. I'm going to finish the look off with a gloss. Yeah, the gloss is very I don't like the applicator. I don't like that shine. It's very average, giving nothing. It's not giving me that juicy lips, that, oh my god, so plumpy, oh my god, so juicy kind of feeling is not coming out of it. But yeah, this is what the finished look is. So this is the finished look, you guys, and I actually just searched for the next shade of this foundation to try and realize that this is the darkest shade, and that's the reason I ordered it as well, hoping that even at least the darkest should match me. But unfortunately it doesn't. So if you're a little deeper than me, also don't even consider this foundation. But if you can find your shade, then the finish of it is really nice. Like, once I set and everything, it's giving a beautiful base. But if you don't find your shade, you have to be like really light medium for it to match. Because for me also, now that I did bronzer vagera, it is matching me, but it still doesn't match me completely to my body. It's a little pink and gray in this area because of course it's not my shade. That being said, the rest, all other products, I think I really like. Even the foundation I like, but it's just that shade doesn't match me. But the blushes have to be my favorite. The cream ones, the powder ones, the eyeshadow worked really great. The lipstick and the lip gloss is really nice as well. Again, this lip might not be for everybody, and it does look a little off, especially because I'm quite gray around my mouth right now. But overall it worked very well. Like, I have no complaints for the performance of the products, keep aside the shades. And I'm very surprised that all of them actually really worked really well. Everybody is stepping up their game in makeup, bringing us really nice products for affordable prices, and I love that for us. And yeah, that's about it for this. All the products will be linked in the description if you want to check them out. And it's not sponsored or anything, by the way. Just letting you know if you don't buy now. And let me know if you want me to review any other products. Leave it in the comments. Let me know. And that's about it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.